Now, we've also accessed the Faridabad Police's FIR where 3 aides of gangster Vikas Dubey have been arrested. This includes Prabhat, who was with Dubey during the Kanpur ambush, as well as 2 other associates. 2 guns have been taken from slain police personnel in the Kanpur encounter. They've now been recovered by the Faridabad police. So we're getting you details with regards to the FIR that's been filed by the police. Remember, raids were conducted at a hotel in Faridabad. Several leads suggest at this point that Vikas Dubey could be hiding in some area in Faridabad. And the FIR clearly states that as far as the associates are concerned, one of them, Prabhat, was with Vikas Dubey during the Kanpur ambush. He's been taken into custody. Several guns have also been seized and recovered from by the police personnel. And we understand 2 of those guns were actually taken from the cops who they shot dead in Kanpur last week. Munish Pandey is joining us with more details on this. Munish, if you could throw more light on exactly what details have emerged from the Faridabad Police's FIR in this raid.
Yeah, well, Lakshita, according to the FIR, the police received a tip-off that Dubey, along with his associates, he's hiding in a premises, after which a team was prepared to conduct raids. The team was well aware that they might be having weapons, so it was heavily armed. And when the team raided, just to understand that how dreaded criminals they are, the 2 policemen were first nabbed by the criminals only. But later, a team came and it rescued them. One of the persons, he ran towards the roof of the building, and then the other team surrounded them. But the person who was leading the raid, that person was fired upon by one of the criminals, one of the accused in this case. Now, that person survived the firing. There was no bullet hit towards the policeman, and then the policeman fired 2 rounds and he was powerfully nabbed. Total 3 persons have been arrested by the police in this case. Dubey was, he again slipped from the hands of police, but what police recovered was 4 weapons, 4 revolvers, and 2 of the weapons in this entire operation have been recovered. 2 of the guns belong to the policemen who were killed by the men of Dubey. So the police maintains that total of 4 guns have been recovered. 2 guns belong to the police, and total of 4 rounds. This means that 44 bullets have also been recovered. So the police says that they are being interrogated at this point of time. They are being asked for the location of Dubey. But as of now, police has arrested all 3 of them.
All right, Munish, thank you for joining us with all those details.